If you actually watched that intro, congratulations! You've officially lost your memory. Today, I'm dropping Volume 5 of my top 5 hard shake XMLs. These are designed to hit hard and stay smooth. Stick around until the end to see how to apply them perfectly. Let's dive in. Hope you love the shakes. Join Telegram channel XML will drop there once this video hit 500 likes. Now let's talk about how to use the shakes. First, add zoom effect to your clips. If you don't know how to add zoom effect, you can watch this video here. I have shown how to add smooth zoom effect. After adding zoom effect, copy the effect from XML, then add to your clip.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.